भागते चोर की लंगोटी ही सही. In today's ifactner's learning video tutorial, we will learn the meaning of भागते चोर की लंगोटी ही सही. When do we use this idiom and how do we use it in a sentence? Let's start our tutorial. So भागते चोर की लंगोटी ही सही, if we translate it, then it means getting the pence of fleeing thief. That is, a thief has stolen something from us and now he is fleeing, but we get his pence. Now, what does this idiom means? This idiom means हाथ से निकली चीज का थोड़ा सा हिस्सा वापस मिलना. That is, getting a small part of the whole thing which is going to be lost. Getting a small part of the thing which you have lost. Now let's use this idiom or proverb in a sentence. चलो 10% पैसे तो वापस मिले, भागते चोर की लंगोटी ही सही. At least we get 10% of our money back. We got the small part of our investment back which was lost. So we had already lost our 100% of investment, but somehow we got 10% of our money back, and in that scenario we will say चलो 10% पैसे तो वापस मिले, भागते चोर की लंगोटी ही सही. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. Please like this video tutorial and share it with your friends and family members. If you are new, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. For questions and comments, please use the comment section below. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.